Hi, I'm Nex Millen. Most people know me as the guy behind the turntables, but today I'm really excited to be here at the Ingles table. You see, in addition to being a DJ and a teaching artist for Leaf Community Arts, I'm also a dad who cares a lot about making sure his child eats good, healthy, real food. While music is my passion, the kitchen is where I go to have fun. And that's what we're gonna do today. We already been to Ingles and we have all the ingredients to make my Jalad jar salad. So let's get to it. Let's get cooking. Okay, we just got back from Ingles and today we're gonna make a Jalad. You might ask what a Jalad is. It's a jar salad. First thing you wanna have is a 32-ounce ball jar. Make sure you sterilize it by boiling it. I use 32 ounces because this will serve 2 people. 2 small salads or one large salad. So the first thing you want to do is take your extra virgin olive oil, pour it into the bottle. I'm going to make 2, so we're going to split this up a little bit. Next thing is the balsamic vinegar. Put a little bit of fat in there. Ooh. Garbanzo beans. This is where you get your protein at. So we're going to half and half this. We want to make sure that the bottom is covered. I don't like a lot of beans, so I just make sure I cover the bottom. I can't see through the glass. Now you want to take your top, put it back on, just like that. Make sure it's tight. And shake these up. Cover those beans. Oh yeah. Now, if I had more time, I would let this sit for maybe 5 to 10 minutes so the beans can really soak up the dressing. Once you do that, you open them back up, move this to the side. And you see all these great vegetables, see all this color, this bounty? I always start with the strongest vegetables first. And that for me would be carrot. So you want to do a layer. So I usually just cover it up so I don't see the beans. Just like that. Little radish. Just like that. Next is a little zucchini. We get all that good stuff in here. Don't forget the cucumbers. I know most people like English cucumbers from Ingles, but I do like regular cucumbers. I'm a fan of vegetables and fruits that have seeds in them. Oh yeah, that's coming together right now. You see me running out of room, but don't worry about it. You want your tomatoes to come next. Especially cherry tomatoes. I love cherry tomatoes. I go to Ingles and they have a cherry tomato bar where you can get all types of heirloom tomatoes, mix and match them. Today we're using red. And hey, this here, preserved lemon. It's an easy make. I want you to check out my tips. I'll show you how to make it right there. Take about 30 seconds. Mango, oh my goodness, these 2 things. This is what set the salad off. So I add just a little preserved lemon, because that's very salty. That's gonna be your salt substitute right there, instead of just putting regular coarse salt. Then I add a little mango for sweetness. Right on top. And then I hand break my lettuce. It tends to taste better. We have red lettuce here. And you want it to come out the top a little bit. So I push it in. And make sure your lettuce is dry. If you have a lettuce spinner, definitely use that. Because if your lettuce is wet, it's going to moisten everything else and your shelf life won't be as long. Once you got it to the brown, you want to squeeze that top back on, just like that. And there you have it, a Jalad. This should last you about 2 to 3 days in the refrigerator. Mainly I make these is for when we're going on hikes out in Asheville, 6 miles or whatever. You sit at the top of the mountain and you have yourself a fresh salad with whoever you're with or by yourself. And that's it. Thank you so much for joining me here at the Ingles table. Make sure you check out the rest of the site for more tips, tricks, and amazing recipes. I'll see you at Ingles.